If you see this really tall Polynesian guy with a dark shirt and glasses and a red streak in his hair, like a brilliant red streak in his hair, that's my boy. He asked me, Mommy, when are you going to write me a song? I written one for Sinead and for my husband, but I have not been inspired to write one for him. So I asked him, Chazzy, what's your favorite flower? And he said, the shower tree. Me? How can I write a song for a shower tree? I couldn't bring myself to do it. And I don't mean to be mean, Chazzy, but that was a little bit uninspiring. And so I picked my favorite flower, which is in season right now. It's a tiny little green flower, it's so sweet. It's called the Pakalana. That simple song, written from a mommy to her favorite son, was nominated for Song of the Year. Oh my stars! I can't believe it. Oh, hail, oh, wind, and hail, oh,